Got some more work done on the tiny tractor build. Got the steering supports on. Seat will go back here. I'm gonna get a Sears seat spring, go back there. I might have to bring that up another block, I'm not sure. I got the footrest there. And I'm thinking I was gonna do belt to jack shaft. But I was thinking, instead of trying to come up with a clutch system, it might just be simpler, just go ahead and put like a go-kart clutch on there. It'd probably save me some money in the long run too, because the bearings for the steering support and the axle is already going to set me back quite a bit. These are about 16 inches tall. I wanted enough room to clear the motor so I could easily change spark plug and stuff like that in it. So what it'll do, probably a chain to a clutch to the jack shaft, then on that side go back there to the sprocket. The steering's what's going to come hard and more expensive for me, because the beveled gears, the only ones I could find is like $39 or it's $36 or $39 each. So unless I can find a better, maybe even like a type of U-joint or something I could put there. But this is what I got done on it. Got a front end. Oh, what you can't see underneath it, I welded supports all through the frame. All through the frame to make the frame even solider. But that's what I got done. Thanks for watching.